Her name's Christine.
I like that.
Mister, would you give Ronnie a break, huh? He's just a stupid kid. He doesn't know what he's doing.
You don't know half as much as you think you do. Shitter.
Okay. That's the last time you run that mechanical asshole in here without an exhaust hose. I catch you doing it one time and you're out. You understand? Huh?
Yes.
No shitter ever came between him and Christine. If they did, watch out. He had a 5-year-old daughter choked to death in her. He wouldn't get rid of her. He just rode around with the radio blaring, not a care in the world except for Christine. Only time I ever interfered with it was when Rita killed herself. Of course, the car came back 3 weeks later.
What do you mean, came back?